Proceed at the gym for your refreshments as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sumar.
Ngayon, nagdeklara kayo ng
War against drugs.
Yes.
ngayon, nagdeklara kayo ng campaign against illegal drugs.
Yes.
Mayroon kayong pipeline sa
Well, wala man. The declaration will mean that that's gonna be it's gonna roll down or roll out for as long as it has to be there. Yan na siya. Well, yan, like I said, like I mentioned earlier, I talked to the barangay captain sa mga urbanized nato na mga densely populated barangays nato. Mao kuno gyud ilang problema. So, usbon ako dere, kung di mo mohawa, di mo undang, patyon ta mo. Dili ka afford nga madaot ang family, ang mga community tungod lang ana for your selfish venture. Gusto lang ka mo dato kay mamaligya kag droga. Unya, imong daoton ang lain tao tungod sa imuhang because of your greediness, patyon ta.
Sir, pwede na tayo, may pila ka barangay ba?
Probably, I have the data. If you want it, I can provide it later. But there is an increase in illegal drug use. And mo gining mulo gyud sa mga kuan, kapitan. So, natin increase. Well, we cannot close our borders, man God. Lisod eh. Di na siya basta-basta nga kuan. Hugtan nimo unless we are our own sovereign state. Magbutang tag-border diha. Unya imo nang abrihan gyud ang sakyanan doon sa unod ana.
Mayor, ako sa mga barangay kapitan.
Well, I just need their cooperation. Kana lang yun. Cooperate lang sila sa police. Maura na. And that's it. So, kinanglan, bantayan po nila mga community. Kung saan na yung mga suspicious activities, dili nila i-tolerate.
Alright. Mayor, would you give a timeline for new city director when it comes to the reduction of drug cases in Davao?
For as long as he is the city director, then he will be actively buhaton to niya kung stand by my pronouncement.
Sir, taganong sila chance to leave Davao City. Kanong sa deadline na?
Ugma dayon, hawa na mo dire. Panghipos na mo sa inyong mga gamit karon, hawa na mo.
If these people, sir, are still in Davao City, sa bang ito?
Then I am sorry. If you dakpon mo, unya musukol mo, di mamatay mo because I will tell the police na musukol gyud because I cannot allow nga akong mga police, ang atong mga police mo ma-disgrasya ana.
Alright. Mayor, there are worries, like yung topic, Mayor, there are worries kasi na pag ma-serve na yung arrest order against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy here in Davao City.
I do not want to comment because that is a national matter and we're talking about something else here.
But what will be your directive for a peaceful na serve ng warrant of arrest, ng arrest order?
Well, if that is do your job properly. If there is something wrong with the arrest, then I do not want to comment on this. This is a national matter. It's a political matter actually. It's in the Senate.
Topic, Mayor, you are very serious on the mga nag-viral karon sa social media, like sa paghabol ng mga nag-drug racing and nag-viral sa
Yes.
traffic rules na. Usa pa niya total war ba ni against these violators?
Delay. Kana mga drag race, from time to time, naamang gina sila. And sometimes, madakpan mo gina sila. Like, if gisubaybayan unta ninyo, kamo mga media, katong adlaw nga nigawas ng video, kinaugmaan, nakuha na mo na. And yet, I do not know, nga nung dili po ninyo na ipakita. Then you should, let the people know. It happened 2 times already. Napoy isa ka video, nahitabo, kinaugmaan, nakuha na mo. Napakoy usa ka pangluod sa inyo ha. Naatay police diri, na police operation, by bust, naigo ang atong police, wala gid ninyo gi-honor by publishing kung unsa yang sakripisyo diri para sa mga tao. So that is your responsibility, Atty.
Siguro naman at least,
Then why do you call yourselves media kung dili ka abot sa inyo? Di ba?
sometimes it's hard for us to interview police.
No, it's your job.
And then Mayor na po yung usahin na delete.
We will do our job and we will let you do your job. Okay? Let's just be fair here. That's it. Kung man ako, storya, I think I have answered your questions quite sufficiently. Thank you. May hapon sa inyong tanan.
Thank you.